Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. So, most of the time, you're all crazy about growing long hair, and some people are so into it that they do not even want to cut their split ends because they think cutting their hair will make their hair short. But, girl, you're getting all wrong. Cutting your split ends or trimming your hair is a vital part of growing healthy hair. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how I trim my natural hair. So, if you really want to know how I do this, then keep watching and make sure do not skip any part of this steps. I just washed my hair and I need to moisturize it and stretch the hair before I can do any trimming to it. So I'm going to show you how I stretch my hair without using heat and also how I moisturize my hair. So today I'm using my TGIN leave-in conditioning to moisturize my hair. Then after that I'm going in with my coconut oil. Then after the coconut oil I go in with my Jamaican castor oil. These oils are really good for my hair. They help me seal moisture in my hair. After that, I'm going in with my olive oil. In the spray bottle is olive oil mixed with water. Then I'm going to go in with my shea butter moisturizer. I made this shea butter moisturizer myself at home. If you want to know how I did this, leave me a comment in the section below. And girl, I got you. So the next step is to detangle my hair and make sure that hair is really detangled. If you detangle your hair the right way, you shouldn't be losing so much hair. I have a video on the best way to detangle hair using aloe vera juice. If you want to know how to do this, I'm going to leave the video in the description box, so make sure to check it out. I'm going to put my hair into little sections and you will see what I'm going to do after that. So today I'm going to use the threading method to stretch my hair. If you know anything about African threading method, leave me a comment in the section below. Have you tried this before? Do you plan on trying it? I want to hear from you. So it's very easy to use these threads. You just keep going around the hair. It's better than the twist because this really stretches your hair. So give it a try if you haven't tried this before. And hey girl, if you're still watching to this point, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to share this video so your friends and family can also watch how to trim their ends. Also, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. So each time I upload new videos like this, you will be notified. And do not forget to stop at the description box to check my other videos. So I'm pretty much going to do the same thing. I'm just splitting the hair into little sections and I'm going to use the thread to thread it around to make sure that hair is really stretched. If you're new to this channel, I used to have permed or relaxed hair and chemicals or products damaged my hair. I started to lose all my edges and some part of my hair. So I had to do the big chop. And I didn't even know how to grow my hair back. But with the organic DIYs that I do myself at home, as well as all the little secrets that I'm ready to share on this channel with you, I was able to grow my hair really fast. And I'm loving my natural hair. So if you really want to learn how to grow your hair fast, as well as tips to care for your hair, then make sure to click on the subscription button and click on that bell so each time I upload any video about hairstyle tutorials, about how to care for your hair, you will definitely be notified. I'm all done and I'm just cutting the little leftover thread. I go in with my tea tree oil. I love this oil on my scalp because my scalp is kind of tender and each time I do braids like these, I kind of have some little pain on my scalp. But when I use the tea tree oil, I do not get any of those pains. So give it a try if you haven't used the tea tree oil before. But if you have, I also want to know from you why you love the tea tree oil. So it's been another day and my hair is all dried and it's now time to stretch it out by detangling it. So I'm going to use my white tooth comb to detangle, and I'm also going to go in with my argan smooth oil to smooth everything out to make sure I get this hair nice and smooth, because you do not want any tangles or any curls or anything in the hair. You want the hair straight, and you do not want to use heat or blowout or anything with heat to get your hair straight. So this is the simplest, easiest way to get your hair straight without using heat. And girl, look at those ends. It needs some trimming. I take it into little sections and I try to figure out where I have to cut. Then I grab my scissors and here we go. I want to hear from you guys. Have you ever trimmed your hair yourself before? If you haven't, do you plan on doing it, or who does it for you? That's pretty much it. I'm going to grab the hair in little sections, smooth it out with the oil, detangle, making sure that hair is nice and straight. Then I cut the split ends. And hey guys, I have a very simple hairstyle tutorial that I'm going to throw in at the end. So make sure you're watching to the end. You can rock this hairstyle after every trim or after every wash and go. Okay, so you may wonder, why do we even have to trim our hair, especially if we want to grow long hair? Why would you have to cut the little hair that you've been able to grow? Well, trimming your natural hair is essential in enhancing growth and maintaining health. And for that reason, it should be counted as part of your important hair regimen. Our hair is naturally made to have some tangles and some knots, as well as some split ends. And if you did not take care of your split ends, the split ends will spread all the way to your hair shaft, resulting in hair loss. Trimming your hair will help you deal with the split ends rather than waiting for the split ends to spread all over your hair and tangle your hair. Because remember guys, the split ends is all about tangling. So if you wait, it's going to grow and travel to the shaft or the root of your hair, and your whole hair is going to be tangled, and guess what is going to happen? You're going to have hair damages or hair breakages. Well, you may ask, what are some of the signs that you may need a trim? The first thing you should know is our 4C natural hair is made to tangle and have some knots, as I said earlier. But if you realize your hair is knotting more than usual, or your hair keeps tangling or breaking, then it might be time for you to do some trim. Another sign that might help you to know that your hair needs some trimming is after putting in all the good practices like moisturizing your hair, wearing your protective hairstyles, putting on those silk stuffs when you are going to bed, and doing all those good things, but your hair still keeps tangling, as well as you having some knots in your hair, that means that it's time for you to give that hair a trim. You need to give that hair some TLC, girl. Also, when your ends are damaged, your hair loses its ability to retain moisture. So I get a whole lot of questions. People ask why their hair are getting damaged or why they are always having tangles. This might be the reason. Your hair just needs a trim, sis. You know, well-nourished and well-moisturized hair has a smooth and soft feel throughout the hair shaft. But when the end starts to feel drier than normal, then it could be an indication that the ends need some love. If you're experiencing this, it might be a time for a snip. You know, guys, trimming the ends of your hair will help keep your hair moisturized and ready to move to the next level of growth. So if you really want to grow that thick, beautiful, healthy, long hair, don't be afraid to give that hair a trim. Almost through with all the sections. I'm going to comb everything out and I'm going to show you that simple hairstyle. If you want the full tutorial to that hairstyle, I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And hey guys, if you're still watching, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope to see you in my next video. And hey, before you leave, there is a video on your screen. Click on that video and watch it. You're gonna love it. Bye.